Today, we're unboxing a very special watch, the Bulova Accutron Spaceview 314, reference 27A206. First, we see the Accutron presentation box. Inside are the booklets and the 5-year warranty cards. The watch is packaged very securely. And here it is. The first thing that stands out is the elegant gold case. Combined with the unique open dial, it creates a striking look. The case diameter is 37 millimeters. The thickness measures 13.35 millimeters. The case is made of polished 18-karat gold. The watch comes on a brown, padded Italian calf leather strap. It features a classic solid gold tang buckle. The lug width is 18 millimeters. Now, let's take a closer look at the dial. The Spaceview is famous for its open dial design. Inside is the Accutron caliber Y230 tuning fork movement. Now, let's turn the watch around. The case back is also made of gold. Here we see the limited edition engraving. This is number 62 of only 65 pieces worldwide. And finally, on the wrist. The watch looks elegant and refined. If you are interested in this watch, it is exclusively available at our store for 30,000 euros. You can contact us on WhatsApp at +341 554 168.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this watch, use the link down below. Also, don't forget your 20K code for your 10% off.